All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the mats right here, and I'm just gonna simply place them in the washer. I have something in there, just go ahead and pull these out momentarily. And then I'm going to just put these inside of the washer. All right, so once I have them in the washer, just like that, then I'm going to add detergent to the drum. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the washer on. Then I'll get to, I'm going to do a quick wash, but normally I'll do a normal wash. But put it to quick wash. I'm going to do an extra rinse. There's no extra spin. And then I'm going to select the temperature. Now, you should probably use warm water, but I'm going to do hot to get these thoroughly clean. Right there, soil level. I'll just keep it normal. And then I'm just going to start it like that. All right, so now that they're done, I'm just going to simply take these out and I'm going to put them in the dryer. Now, some people hang dry them to let them dry, but I find that they're fine if I put them in the dryer under a low heat to get them clean. So nice and fresh, put them in the dryer. All right, so I'm gonna have them in the dryer, and I'm going to go ahead and select the dryer, turn it on, and then I'm going to go under delicates, and then more dry, very dry, but it's on delicates, so it's at extra low heat right here. And then I'm gonna start this and let them dry.